Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Shark Week video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a shark surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our shark surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to take my paper and I want to line up each corner like this. Then I'm just going to give it a nice fold right down the middle. Now, after I have the fold, I'm going to fold it one more time, line up the corners again. This way I have a sort of bookmark shape. Now, when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I always like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the surprise. Now, to start off with this, let's begin by making two ovals for the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make an oval shape for one eye like this. I'm going to leave some space and then I'll do the same thing over here, trying to make it about the same size. So we have two ovals for the two eyes of our shark. Now inside each oval, let's go ahead and make a small circle. And this is going to be like the reflection inside of the eyes, because the eyes are going to eventually be black and we're going to actually leave these little parts white. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come up, and I'm going to bring it in, curve it around, we're going to come down to this eye. And that's just going to be the nose for our shark. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then down to the fold. And same thing here, we're just going to come out and down to the fold. Now right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve in on each side, and this is going to be the nose of our shark. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down, and then I'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to line that line up, and we're just going to curve it down. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to come up like this. And that'll be the little fin. Let's make the other fin over here. We're just going to come down, and then we're going to bring it right back up like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to make the body of the shark. So we're just going to kind of make a big smiley face shape right inside of here. So we're just going to draw a line that's just going to come down, and then we're going to bring this up and over to here. Now, over here, I want to make a little tail for the shark. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve like this, and then I'm going to make another one that's just going to curve up. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, I'm going to go down, and then back up like this for the tail. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up to a point and then down for the fin of our shark. Now, let's go ahead and add some details on here. So I want to give my shark a nice big smiley face. So I'm just going to start right here, and I'm going to make a nice big smiley face shape, just like that. Now, over here, I want to make some gills. So to draw the gills, we're going to draw 1, 2, and 3 lines right there. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to draw 1, 2, and 3 lines. Now, next, I want to draw some little designs on here for our shark. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a squiggly line that's going to go up towards the nose, and then it's going to come back down. So I'm going to start here. We're going to make some wiggly lines that are going to go up. We'll keep them underneath the nose. We're going to come down here, and I'm just going to bring them right to here. Now, once we have all this drawn, we want to open this up and draw the inside of our shark. Now, once we have it open, we have two halves of our shark, the top half and the bottom half. So the first thing I want to do is I actually want to connect both of these halves. So let's start right here, and I'm just going to bring a line that's going to come down here. And then I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to bring a line right down to here. Now let's start off with the mouth of our shark. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a little curved line here. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, just a little curved line for the edges of the mouth. Next, I'm going to make a long line that comes across and up for the top of the mouth. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. I'm going to curve it around, and I'm going to bring it right up here for the mouth. And then I want to connect this line to here. So I'm going to draw this just around the mouth here. And I'm going to bring this around and connect it. I'll do that same thing here. Let's just bring this down around the mouth. And we'll connect it right here. Now the next step is, of course, we have to add some teeth in here. So before we add the teeth, let's go ahead and put the gums in. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come right across and up. And I'll do the same thing here. We're just going to come across to here. Now let's add the teeth. So I like to start right here in the middle, and I'm going to draw a big pointed tooth right in the middle. And then I'm going to start making all the other teeth right behind it. So I'm going to put 2 teeth right next to it. And then when I start the next one, I'm going to start here. I'm going to go down and then up. I'll do that same thing here. I'm going to start kind of towards the bottom. I'm going to go down and then up. This way it looks like the teeth are behind. So I'm going to keep doing that. And this is going to make it look like the shark has lots of really sharp teeth. So we'll do that same thing here. Go down and up. Just go down and up. Now I'm going to do that same thing down here. So I'm going to start off with 1 big sharp tooth. And then I'm going to put 2 on each side. And then I'm going to start doing that same thing. This time I'll start up, and I'm going to go up to a point and down, up to a point and down. And I'm going to do this all the way across, and I'll do the same thing over here. Just up to a point and then down. Put 1 more right there, so it looks like there's lots of teeth. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a tongue. So I'm going to start here, and let's draw a line that's going to curve up and down. And then let's make another one that's going to curve up and down. Now let's draw the back of the shark's mouth. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to come down. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to curve up and come down. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to curve around and come up here. And then I'm going to make some of these little extra curvy lines inside of the shark's mouth just to give it a little bit more detail. So we're just going to make some of these little lines just kind of curve up here. And then I'm just going to draw a few little circles around here for some bubbles on our shark, just so it looks like the mouth is popping open. And there you go, there is your drawing of a shark surprise fold. There's lots of things you could do. You can always add extra things in here, like maybe some bones or a hook or some fish or whatever. Now when I have it all closed up, I've got my nice little shark right there. Here it looks pretty innocent, and then when you open it up, he's got his big mouth full of teeth. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.